Would you believe spending $1,700,000 to buy a Mercedes G-Class?
The car door is severely deformed, the A-pillar is heavily damaged, the roof is also bent, and all the airbags inside have deployed. This is just a test drive car that has only been driven a few thousand kilometers. The first time the big brother test drove it, the G-Class flipped over. We decided to use only a budget of several tens of thousands to take it from this to this, and finally refurbish it to this. Later, we'll explain to everyone why the G500 is so expensive.
The door frame is severely deformed.
Next, dismantle the interior.
Remove the roof as well, then take apart the side airbags on both sides. The side curtain airbag is completed and the car door components need to be removed. Next, once the exterior parts are removed, we can proceed to the bodywork. Remove the parts that need changing, but the cost is far beyond expectations. Once started, there's no turning back. So let's try fixing one piece at a time. Next is the sheet metal part. First, loosen the rivets. Heat to remove the A-pillar sealant. After derusting, the rivets inside also need to be loosened. After handling the anchor bolts, pry open the outer sheet metal of the A-pillar. Many people say the brand new G500 from the year 2005 is only $1,800,000, but that's because they haven't included the cost of additional installations, which are similar to those of the Cullinan. Just these small parts alone cost over $700,000. Now pry open the outer aluminum skin. After prying it open, the old hand was dumbfounded. As expected of the Big G, this A-pillar is really solid. Remove the sealant and take off the outer sheet metal of the A-pillar. Look at these two layers of wells. Imagine how strong this A-pillar is. Remove that layer of the A-pillar too, to make it easier to align.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
Next, we need to straighten here, the deformed part on the side of the car roof. Secure the car body and use a hoist with the pulling tower for side pulling. This is the folly of men as long as you own a Mercedes-Benz G-Class, even if you are a pig. Others will call you Marshall Tianping. The structure of every car includes a table board. If the roof cannot be restored to its original position, then the A-pillar and B-pillar will also be affected, seriously impacting safety. However, under the craftsmanship of a seasoned sheet metal expert, this situation does not exist at all.
What's up?
The roof is basically finished, with some flaws to be addressed later. Next, we'll deal with this dent, sand off the surface paint, weld on anchor points, and pull out the dent, cut it, and reposition the anchor points. First, tap twice, then confirm 3 times. So the precise control of the door gap is a meticulous test that takes 20 years of experience to master, then weld on the A-pillar outer aluminum. Install the fender and check if the position is correct. Sand the entire area where it was restored.
Finally fine-tune these imperfections.
The sheet metal work is done. Next is car detailing. From this to this, and then to this. First, spray the parts with color paint.
The air curtain has been installed. Please go to the venue. Fasten the rear seat belt after installation.
Put the chicken lid on and take it to be washed thoroughly. After washing, call a car for the buddies.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.